Hello guys, it's your girl Connie again. So this morning I told you about me going to work, so I'm back. But it's I'm not officially back. You remember this morning I told you that I want to hear more from you guys. Please leave the comments down below. Please leave the comments where you tell me what would you like to hear me discuss on this podcast. It's really important that I hear from you guys. Like, I also want to hear your thoughts. Let's share our thoughts and let's discuss what we want to talk about. So please leave your comments. And I'm so sorry that this morning's broadcast, like the little message that I left, was so dull, and I know I sounded very boring there, so I'm so sorry guys. You guys are very important to me, so I have to offer you what's best and what's best only. So yes guys, leave the comments down below where you tell me what would you like to hear me talk about on the next episode, because I was still busy with my my background. I was still busy with a little bit of about my background. You're gonna hear that also, where I talk about my background, where I give you just a little bit about my background and what really motivated me on pushing this podcast. So stay tuned guys and send your comments. And you know what, stay safe guys, this is serious. Stay safe, coronavirus is serious. Stay safe, stay clean, and yeah man, don't get sick people. Let's not get sick. Now I still want to see all of you after all this. So yes, I would really appreciate you if it if you left your comments and you told me what is it you really want to hear me discuss on my next podcast. Thank you very much. Enjoy your evening and I love you. Mpo is out.